Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money with video sharing website and Amazon affiliate marketing. And I'm not talking about YouTube, Rumble or any of those websites, but this website is one of the oldest video sharing websites. It is founded at the same year, actually at the same time when YouTube was created, and this website is getting more than 200 million monthly visits. So obviously first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. After that, you need to find the products that you wish to promote. So I'm here on Amazon. So for example, let's just say I wish to promote something from gaming category. I will click here, and here you can see there is lots of products that you wish to that you can promote. So let me just turn this off. And let's say, for example, I wish to promote this chair here. As you can see, this chair has more than 22,000 reviews, on average 4.4 stars, which means this is actually a good product. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here to open this product here. And here you can see they actually have a lots of images, lots of videos. So that is actually good for us. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to make a video. And first thing I need, if I wish to make a video, I need a script. And for that, I'm actually going to use DeepSeek. So I can say something like this. Write me a script for a video review of this Amazon product. And then I will simply go back here on Amazon and I will copy this URL here and go back on DeepSeek, and I'm going to paste that URL here. And all I have to do is just press enter, and now DeepSeek will create this script for me. Just give it a few seconds. As you can see, it is already start writing this script for me. But as you can see, this video will be 4 minutes and 15 seconds long. That is actually too long for a review video. So I can say something like this. Make it shorter. Actually, I needed to say that right here in the first prompt. Write me a script for a short video review. I should have said that here in the first prompt. I actually made a mistake, but it is not the problem because I told it here again in the new prompt. And here you can see now it is 1.5 minutes long. So now what I need to do, I need to make this video. And for that, it is best if you can actually make this video by yourself. But for the purpose of this video, to make it easier for us, especially if there are some beginners, and I know there is lots of beginners, we are actually going to use a website called Visla AI. So you need to register for a free account, and then you need to come to your dashboard. And now you need to make a video. Simply click here on create video. And now you can create this video. Now you have a few options to make this video. Easiest by far is to click here on link. And now you can simply go here on Amazon. You can copy the direct link to this product here. And you can go back here on Visla and paste that link here. Click confirm. And Visla will create video from that product directly, so you don't have to do anything. But better option is to click here on text and to actually enter your own script. Simply click here on text and now go back here on DeepSeek, and I need to copy this, okay, this shorter script, okay, Control C, and I need to paste that here, okay, simply paste here, click confirm, and that's it. I will confirm this. So now I need to describe it shortly. So I will simply say something like this, okay? Review. And then I will simply paste the title of this product, okay? And then click here on next, okay? Click here on confirm. And analyzing and processing. Now this may take a few moments, just give it a time. Okay, as you can see, now it will start processing. As you can see here, I will just click here on next quickly, just to finish this tour. And here you can see this is the script. And here I can actually add a type. I can simply I can edit content guide. I can fix everything if I want. Now I'm satisfied how this looks. So all I have to do now is just click here on generate video. So now Visla AI will generate this video. Now, this may take a time depending on how long this video here is and how much text actually there is in this video. Like I said, this may take a few minutes, sometimes even an hour, maybe even 2 hours, especially if you're using a free plan. So, Visla finished making this video. So let me just click here on play just to see how it looks.
Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm putting the best office gaming chair to the test to see if this $150 model. No flimsy plastics here. Now, onto the features.
Audio.
The chair sports a sleek.
Now, as you can see, this is actually really good video, but let's say I wish to edit it. I will simply click here on edit, and now I can edit this video. As you can see, Visla used stock footage, and in this case, if you are making reviews, that is not the best option. So what I can do, I can simply go back here on Amazon and I can download these images and these videos here. For example, I can simply download this image to my desktop. Okay, save it to my desktop, and then I can go back here on Visla and I can click here on media and then click here on project media and then click here on upload, and I need to upload that video from my computer. So let me just find it. This is the video, this is the image. Just give it a few seconds. Okay, it uploaded this. So now I can simply click on this slide and I can replace that image, this image here, with my image that I just uploaded. Okay, click here, confirm. Just give it a few seconds. And here you will see it will actually use this image. As you can see, it is using this image that I uploaded. Here you can see the script. You can change the script if you want. Here you can see the automatically added subtitles. You can change subtitles, as you can just click here and you can change the subtitles. Here you have audio and you can choose different kind of audio. And like I said, you can check everything, you can change everything. And after you're satisfied how your video looks, all you have to do is just click here on play just to see how it looks. You can edit each scene individually. And after that, just click here on export. And then click here, regenerate with free stock, okay? Because I'm using a free account for the purpose of this video. And Visla will again create this, but this time with the free stock images and stock videos. So now all I have to do is just click here on export. And now I will export this video to my desktop. Video generation in progress. We will notify you once it is done. So after we got our video, after we created our review video in this case, now we need to upload it on video sharing website. Now website I'm talking about is Dailymotion. When you come here on SimilarWeb, here you will see that Dailymotion was founded 2005, same year as YouTube. It is just YouTube was created in February 2005. Dailymotion was created in March 2005, so it is one of the oldest video sharing websites. Here you can see global rank 213, and in March 2025 it got 204, almost 205 million visits. So Dailymotion is a good source of free traffic. So what you need to do, you need to come here on Dailymotion, you need to register for a free account, and here you can see there is lots and lots of videos. And what you need to do next, you need to hover over your profile image and then you need to click here on Studio. And then here you will be able to upload your video. And then simply click here on Add a Video. And now you need to click here, select video files, and I need to find the video that Visla created. This is the video. And now I need to edit the title. Now you can come up with the title by yourself, or you can simply go back here on DeepSeek and ask it to give you a title. Also, you need to give it a description. Again, you can make description by yourself, or you can simply ask DeepSeek or ChatGPT to make you a description. And then here you need to select a category, right category, and then you need to choose the language. It is English language. You need to add subtitles if you have subtitles. Also, you're probably wondering, well, how do I actually make money with affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing? You simply need to go back here and let me just close this, and I need to click here on get a link. And this is my Amazon affiliate link, and I can simply add that link here in the description. But here is the thing with Dailymotion. Links here in the description of videos in Dailymotion, they are not clickable. But that is not the problem, because everybody knows when you highlight the link and when you right click here, you have the option to open that link in the new tab, and you will open that link. And trust me guys, people do that very often when they see non-clickable links. All you have to do is just start uploading videos every day and you will start getting lots of views. You will probably not get that many views as you would on YouTube, but you will start getting lots of views. But also good thing about Dailymotion is there is not that big competition like on YouTube. So you will get almost all the attention and you will start getting clicks on your affiliate link, Amazon affiliate link, and you will start making sales. You will start making money. All you have to do is just be persistent. Just upload videos regularly, and after 3 or 4 months, you will start making money with this method. So this is how you make money with Amazon affiliate marketing and video sharing websites.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.